Hello and welcome to the DIY Affiliates and Collective Soul Journey. Are you giving your power away? Well, it's time now to reclaim it. Stop wasting your life. Take your power back now. Don't allow your life to be controlled. You may not realize this, but you are giving your power away and people are taking it. Stop wasting your life by giving your spiritual and personal power away to energy vampires. Here are 10 ways that energy vampires take your power away. And also, here are 10 ways how you can reclaim your power. Number 1, seeking validation. Relying on external validation to feel confident or self-worthiness. Take it back by focusing on self-acceptance and valuing your own opinions and abilities. Number 2, fear of rejection. Allowing the fear of rejection to hold you back from expressing yourself or taking risks. Reclaim your power by embracing our vulnerabilities and recognizing that rejection is part of spiritual and personal growth. Number 3, people pleasing. Constantly prioritizing others' needs and opinions over your own. Take your power back by setting healthy boundaries and learning to say no when necessary. Number 4, the comparison trap. Comparing yourself to others and feeling inadequate. Reclaim your power by appreciating your unique qualities and focusing on your personal growth instead of comparing yourself to others. Number 5, lack of assertiveness. Not speaking up or standing up for yourself. Take back your power by practicing assertiveness. Techniques such as using I statements and expressing your needs and boundaries confidently. Number 6, allowing others to define your worth. Believing that your worth is based on others' opinions or achievements. Reclaim your power by recognizing your inherent value and setting your own standards of self-worth. Number 7, negative self-talk. Engaging in self-critical or self-defeating thoughts. Take back your power by practicing self-compassion, challenging negative thoughts and reframing them into positive affirmations. Number 8, holding grudges. Allowing past hurts and resentments to consume your energy. Reclaim your power by practicing forgiveness, both for yourself and others, and focusing on your present and future. Number 9, dependency on others. Relying excessively on others for your happiness or sense of fulfillment. Take back your power by cultivating self-reliance and investing in your own personal growth and well-being. Number 10, avoiding taking responsibilities, blaming others or circumstances for your outcomes. Reclaim your power by accepting responsibility for your choices, learning from mistakes, and taking proactive steps towards positive change. Always remember, reclaiming power is a gradual process. Start with small steps. Be patient with yourself and seek support from trusted friends, family, or even professionals if needed. Thank you for listening and have yourself a wonderful day.